since 2014, the last 8 years, I've just been slowly learning how to make drawings, but it never gets any easier. It's always a challenge. I couldn't draw people's faces before doing typewriter art. In fact, I probably draw people better on a typewriter than I can draw freehand in sort of pen or pencil, just because I've done so many portraits. Depending on what you're typing, you'll use specific keys and you'll puzzle piece them together to make the drawing to represent the subject. So if it's a portrait of, you know, someone's face, for example, you'll use for the pupils of the eyes, you want to recreate that sort of curvature of their eyes, so I'll use like a bracket symbol. Whereas, you know, if it's the shading, you're trying to recreate someone's skin complexion, I will use the @ symbol because it has quite a large surface area and you can do blending with larger symbols. There's something really satisfying about kind of using this sort of limited palette of, you basically have about 44 keys on a typewriter on average, so you've got to kind of puzzle